I asked God, "Why are you leading me through troubled waters?" He answered, "Because your enemies cannot swim." I asked, "Why do I always feel like I'm failing and struggling?" He replied, "Because your growth and accomplishments come from facing challenges and overcoming difficulties. Every failure is a step towards success." I asked God again, "Why does life sometimes feel filled with pain and helplessness?" He answered, "Because in your weakest moments, I am by your side. I use your pain to shape your character and your helplessness to showcase my power." Continuing, I asked, "Why must I experience disappointment and setbacks?" He replied, "Because in disappointment, you learn to trust. In setbacks, you learn to persevere. I am with you every step of the way, guiding you toward victory." Finally, I asked, "Why do I always feel confused and lost?" He answered, "Because you overlook my plan for your life. When you focus on me, I will smooth your path and give you clear direction. Trust me, everything is under my control." If you believe this message was meant for you, comment, "Trust in God." God bless you. Share this message with someone who needs a reminder of God's power in our lives.